Hey, you guys. Rich Babe Saves about to start the Mother's Day baskets. You guys, this is why we clearance shop. This is why we penny shop. Remember the flowers? We got these little flowers. Like 25 cents. Some people may have even gotten them for the penny. You guys, this is why we clearance shop. The Nivea body washes. We just had that clearance event a few months back. Got these large, tall body washes in different scents. The olive oil is from the Dollar Tree. Some more clearance event items. Some CVS deals with the Dow. The freebie CVS bags. This is why I collect so many of those bags and the bows. Remember, here are Christmas bows. 1 penny. The candles. Remember, the candles were 25 cents. I got mine at the 25. More clearance items from CVS. Penny jewelry, you guys. CVS deals. Here's the Dollar General clearance event. The Tom's deodorant. Those foaming antibacterial washes. The soft soap. And also the Defender. Dollar Tree deal. I'm meaning to show you guys this tall soft soap in the gentle lavender. They also have the coconut, you guys. 32 ounces, $1.25. Look how tall that is. Large, huge, soft soap at Dollar Tree. $1.25. You can't beat it. I've been meaning to show that in the haul. Here's some more Dove deals from CVS. Love and Beauty deals we got. All that clearance. Antibacterial soap. Those are gift sets from CVS. Penny gift sets from Dollar General. And the candles, 25 cents. Here's just some potpourri and some more Love and Beauty in the back. The 25-cent Christmas candles. More clearance lotion. And these are just some items, some fillers. I have more, you guys. You know that. And here's some fillers from the fall harvest sale. Here's some little gloves. These are from last year. Some little garden gloves and a hat. Just a few little fillers for the baskets. Here are my supplies. The pebbles, or also I have the shredded paper. The bags, which I had to go to Hobby Lobby. No deal on those, but some things you have to. You gotta spend a little money to earn a little money. So I did have to buy my gift basket bags because at Easter, from small town USA, honey, we only have one Walmart, so they were sold out. Dollar Tree didn't have anything, so Hobby Lobby got some in right on time. Here's some more of those. These weren't the 25 cents, but these were on the clearance event, and we had a $1 off that weekend, you guys, so it made the 2-pack like $1.12, I think. These pretty base, and like I said, on the flowers. You guys, let me get started. Just trying to show you guys why we do indeed clearance shop, why we penny shop, why we try to save money. Now we're gonna make more money. So let's get started on these Mother's Day baskets, you guys. I'll be back to show you the completed look. All right, you guys. Until the next one, hit the like, hit the like, hit the like. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Happy shopping and happy Mother's Day.